And we're back with some breaking news from Jammu and Kashmir. An encounter currently underway in North Kashmir's Sopore district, wherein two terrorists have also been gunned down by security forces. We are looking at a joint operation, and Zeenat, my colleague and our Kashmir bureau chief, are sending out all those details. Two terrorists who have been eliminated, gunned down in Sopore. So an encounter currently underway in Sopore. It is a joint operation. Now we are given to understand, and two terrorists that have now been neutralized. Forces continue to crush terror in the valley. Remember, more than 100 terrorists in total have so far been gunned down in the year 2020 itself. Forces at it with Operation Wipeout Terror. So several of those encounters that continue taking place in the latest, two terrorists have been eliminated in this ongoing encounter in Sopore. Zeenat is with us to give out more details. Zeenat, if you could share with us in detail when exactly did the encounter start, because two terrorists have now been gunned down by our forces.
See, Christine, they have reported that the two terrorists have been gunned down, but as of now, no dead body of the terrorists have been recovered. So we can say that the encounter is on, the search operation is on there for the dead bodies, because this was an encounter that started somewhere around 4:30 in the morning when the contact with the hiding terrorists was established. The operation is being carried by 22 RR along with SOG Sopore and CRPF, and the operation is going on in Hardishwan area of Sopore that comes in Baramulla district of North Kashmir. All this started when there were credible leads about the presence of terrorists in this very area. CASO was launched, and in the morning the contact with the hiding terrorist was established. But no dead body has been recovered from this encounter site, and the search operation is still going on.
We have been seeing an increased anti-terror operation movement in North Kashmir specifically, because as confirmed by our forces as well, now they've shifted focus to North Kashmir. So making sure that both South Kashmir, North Kashmir are looking at a minimized terror activity in that sense.
See, Christine, we have been seeing the operations going on in North Kashmir, also in Central Kashmir. Or the best, yes, the height in anti-terrorist operations is in South Kashmir. But as you remember the statement of IG Kashmir, he has said that the complete focus will be from next month. These are the routine kind of CASOs, but where at times the luck is there for forces and you are able to neutralize them. But as IG Kashmir pointed out, that for spike in anti-militancy operation, the focus will be next month. But as of now, the operation is still on because the dead bodies have not been recovered from Hardishwan area of Sopore, where the encounter is on. The search party is there. In fact, this is all, the operation is being carried by 22 RR and SOG Sopore in Hardishwan area of Sopore, where we have seen, in earlier also we have seen number of anti-militancy operations.
Alright, so next month onwards there will be growing focus on North Kashmir, but as for the latest, two terrorists who have been neutralized in Sopore by our forces. Zeenat confirming to us that no bodies though have been recovered yet. Zeenat, will keep coming back to you. Keep a close eye out on more.